The Quest for the Lost Wildling Wisdom. Chapter 2. Lans the Lightworkers House. We're deep underground in the crystal caves. Wow, you are extremely brave. We need to go towards the light. That's how we can get out. Look, there it is, up there. Can you see that light? There it is at last. Look, Wildling, up there, Lans' house. He's going to show us how to find our Wildling lights and make them grow so we can see on our adventure and find other wisdom seekers too. Oh, I need to tell you something about Lans. He is a light worker, which means he doesn't look the same as us. Lans is made of love light and shines very brightly, which means he can fly. Cool, right? You might need some sunglasses, because when Lans meets a Wildling wisdom seeker, he gets very excited and shines like the sun. Here he comes. Why, hello, brave young wisdom seeker, and welcome to my home. Let's go somewhere more comfy. That's better. I've almost finished making your special cookies. Would you like the recipe for them? It's a secret recipe, and these are magical cookies. I don't usually give the recipe to anyone, but I can see how brightly your Wildling light shines, so I want you to know my secret recipe. Jumping Juniper, Lans is giving you the Cookies of Time recipe. That's amazing. You must be as magical as he is. Quick, find the scroll in your pack and see what these special cookies are made of. Why don't you ask your grown-up if you can make a batch so you can eat them on our adventure? Look at that pile of lovely blankets and beanbags on the floor. They look so comfy and soft. Shall we sit on them while we find our lights? Oh, they really are soft. Can you feel them hugging you? What wonderful, relaxing beanbags. Lans will take us on a magical mind journey to find the shining light inside us. Do you remember how to use Wildling breaths? Let's practice some Wildling breaths. Sniff the flower. Breathe in and feel grateful for your breath. Now blow out the candle. Breathe out and feel grateful for your breath. Now put them together. Remember to make your out-breath longer than your in-breath and take it slow. Wildling, you are a brilliant breather. This will help you find your Wildling light now. Put one hand flat on your chest where your heart is. Put the other hand flat on your tummy. Breathe deep and slow, and off we go. Your Wildling light shines brightly in the dark. Don't search with your eyes, just feel with your heart. A bright shining light deep inside you, aglow. By showing it love, you make your glow grow. Everyone has a light, but some have grown dim. They can't feel their light, they don't look within. But now you know how to make your light shine bright. And you can help others to light up the night. Can you feel the light energy getting bigger? Can you feel your hands tingling? You found your Wildling light. You're wondrously wonderful. You can do this any time you feel you need a light to help your heart see the way to go. Oh, very well done, Wildling. You are indeed an excellent choice for a wisdom seeker. Go on, brave one. Rorrim will look after you from here. Good luck. I believe in you. Next, we have to cross the Bridge of Time into Undal. You've earned your Adventuring Heart Wisdom Stone. See you soon, brave Wildling. You are so important.